Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the learning sheet 15 of Kalika Chetharike for class 8 standard. So in learning sheet 15 they have told about the properties of integers. Okay, so we all know that what are the integers. All positive and negative numbers along with 0 is nothing but integers and it is denoted by z. Here they have taken like a star b is equals to c belongs to z. Under closure property we have to check closure property is closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication on integer, but not closed under division. It means that closure property satisfies addition, subtraction and multiplication, but it does not satisfy for division. Here, next it is commutative property. Commutative property general form is A star B is equals to B star A. So here they are asking that commutative property is closed under addition and multiplication for integers and not commutative for subtraction and division. Okay. So next let us see for associative property. Associative property general form is A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. So associative property is closed under addition and multiplication, not closed under division and subtraction. Like that only identity element. Identity element for addition of integer is 0 and identity element for multiplication of integer is 1. It is one and the same how we have done for whole number. Now let us see next inverse element. So in inverse element for addition is here again 0. Inverse in the sense we know that if a we have taken, so minus a, we have to change the sign here. So inverse element for multiplication is 1, that is if we have taken a here then the inverse will be 1 by a. Okay, like that way. And the last property is distributive property under addition. So we have to do only distributive property under addition, that is a plus b into c is equals to ac plus bc. Let us solve the learning sheet 16 because they have told we have to take few example and solve this learning sheet. Okay, now let us start here. Learning sheets. Discuss the properties of integers with your teacher and by taking example test the properties. I am taking example a as for example 2 and b is equals to minus 5 because it is an integer, so positive and negative numbers together it is integer. So we know that closure property is nothing but a star b is equal to c should be belongs to z. Let us see whether it is closed under which. Okay, first we will go for addition. I'll write here small addition because here there is no space. It is a very small space. In this small space we have to complete the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so let us know the addition 2 plus minus 5. Okay, what we get? 2 plus minus 5. 2 plus minus is minus. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So it is belongs to integer. Correct now? It is belongs to minus 3 belongs to integers. So what we can say? It satisfies closure properties are closed under addition. So we have already learned in just previous page that it is closed for addition. Let us go for now subtraction. Okay, 2 this a place, here I am not writing again, a place 2 sign we have to take minus because subtraction, and b minus 5. What we get? 2 minus minus is plus 5 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 also belongs to Z. So closure property also satisfy subtraction. That means closure property is closed under subtraction. Okay. Next, let us go for multiplication. In multiplication, let us see. A place, what we have to write? 2. I am writing A place here 2. Which sign I have to give? Multiply. Minus 5. B means I am writing B is equal to what we will get? 2 plus minus minus 2 5s are 10. So minus 10 also belongs to integers. So it is closed under multiplication. Closure property is closed under multiplication. Let us see about division. 2 divide minus 5. 2 divide minus 5 will be decimal. So does not belongs to integer. 2 divide by minus 5 we will get decimal answer, point answer, which is not integer, so does not belongs to integers. So this complete about the closure property. We should be very quick now. Next, let us go for commutative property. Let me write the general form of commutative property, that is A star B is equals to B star A. I have taken A value is S2 and B value is minus 5. Let us go for addition. Okay, addition. 2 plus minus 5 is equals to minus 5 plus 2. Okay, what we get answer here? Let us check here. Plus minus minus 2 minus 5 is equals to minus 5 plus 2. Both answers are minus. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and minus 5 plus 2 is also is minus 3. So addition commutative is closed under addition for integers because LHS and RHS is same. Let us go for subtraction. Okay, I'll do subtraction now. A 2 minus B minus 5 is equals to B minus 5 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus minus is plus. 2 plus 5 is equals to minus 5 minus 2. Here 5 plus 2 is 7 and here minus minus becomes plus but minus 7. They are not equal. So what we can say here, commutative property is not closed under subtraction of integers because both LHS and RHS is different here. So multiplication and division I'll do just in the next page. Here we don't have a space, so I'll do here in a rough page. Okay, what we have taken, A value as A is 2 and B as minus 5 we have taken. So multiplication we are doing. Multiplication. Okay, A into B is equals to B into A. So 2 into minus 5 is equals to minus 5 into 2. Plus minus minus 5 to the 10 and plus minus minus 5 to the 10. So LHS is equals to RHS. So what we can say, commutative property is closed under multiplication. In this way, let us see for division. We know that A divide B is equals to B divide A. We have to check. A divide A is 2 divide minus 5 is equals to minus 5 divide 2. See here 2 divide minus 5 will get 0 point some answer, and this side 5 divide if we do 2 point some answer we will get. So they are not completely, they are different, so they are not closed under commutative property. Okay, so we have learned about the commutative property. Now let us next see what it is. Associative property. Here associative property also the space is very small. We'll go for here only. Associative property. So associative property A 2 only, B minus 5, C we will take some number as, okay, B minus 3 I'll take and C 5 I'll take. Okay, we know that general form of associative property. Now for addition, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. So this is the general form of associative property. Let us see once. Yes, see, A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. Now for addition we will place, in place of star here, plus. So A we will write 2 plus B minus 3 plus C is 5 is equals to A 2 plus B minus 3 plus C 5. Okay, 2, let it be plus 5, plus minus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2, greater sign plus, so 2 plus 2. This side 2 plus minus minus 3 and plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 5. So 4 is equals to 1 plus 1 minus is again minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4, greater sign is plus, so 4. LHS is equals to RHS. So what we can say, associative properties is satisfied under addition, or associative property is closed under addition. Let us see now what about subtraction. Same alphabet we will take. Okay, subtraction. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 3 and C is equals to 5. Okay, A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Okay, now A, 2 minus minus 3 minus, as it is, C is nothing but 5. A value is 2 minus B value is minus 3 and C value is minus sign, as it is, C value is 5. So 2 minus, minus minus is bracket because it is in bracket, so minus minus is plus, 5 plus 3 is minus 8, sign we have to keep minus 8. 2 minus minus is plus 3 minus 5. Okay, now we can see here, we will change the sign here to minus minus plus 8 and 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. What we got here, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 5 we got, 2 plus 3 10 and 5 minus 5 0. So we did not get the same answer, so they are not equal. So what we can say, associative property doesn't satisfy the subtraction, or we can say that associative property is not closed under subtraction. Okay, similarly we will go for multiplication. Okay, now multiplication, what we can write here, A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay, now A value is 2 into B value is minus 3 and C value is 5 is equals to 2 into minus 3 into C value is 5. Okay, now 2 let it be as it is, into 5 3 is a 15 minus 15, then plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 into 5. So 15 2s are 30, plus minus 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 30 and 6 5s are also 30, plus minus is minus. So we got equal answer, LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that here associative property is closed under multiplication of integer, that is it satisfies the associative property of multiplication. Last one is division, and we know that division doesn't satisfy, but still we will do that. 2 divide minus 3 divide by 5 is equals to 2 divide minus 3 divide by 5. Okay, so here we know that 2 divide we will get decimal answer. So 3 divide 5, if we do, we will get 0.6 minus 0.6, and here 2 divide minus 3, if we do 2 divide minus 3, if we do 0.66, here minus 0.66 divide by 5. So 2 divide 0.6, we get 3.33, and this side minus, and this side 0.66 divided by 5, if we do, we will get minus 0.13. So whether they are equal, they are not at all equal. So what we can say that associative property is not closed under division. So let us just once have a glance about associative property. In associative property, it is closed under addition because LHS is equals to RHS, and in subtraction, LHS is not equal to RHS, so it is not closed under subtraction. Next, we will go for multiplication. You can see here LHS is equals to RHS, so we can say that it is closed under multiplication. Associative property is closed under multiplication, but in division, we can say LHS is not equal to RHS, and we can. So let us see now identity property. In identity property for addition and multiplication, already I have told. So for addition, a plus 0 and 0 plus a is a. That is the general form. And for multiplication, a into 0 and a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is a. So let us take some numbers here. I'll take some number. For example, in place of a, 3, I'll take 3 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 3 is nothing but answer is 3. And in multiplication, in place of a, if we take minus 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 5 is nothing but answer is minus 5. So this is about the identity property. So we should remember well in this is identity property for addition is 0 and multiplicative in multiplication identity element is nothing but 1. Okay. So let us see about the inverse now. In inverse, we can see here a plus minus a is equals to minus a plus a is nothing but 0, and for multiplication a into 1 by a is equals to 1 by a into a is 1. So here this is the general form for inverse property of addition and for inverse property of multiplication. Let us take some number. For example, I'll take 2. 2 plus of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 plus of 2. Okay. See here what I have done. 2 plus minus 2 and minus 2 plus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0 and minus 2 plus 2 is also is 0. So answer is 0 only. 2 minus 2 also is 0. So what we get? Answer 0. Let us take here in place of a minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into minus 3. Here also minus 3. A place everywhere I have taken minus 3 get cancelled. Here also 3 get cancelled. What is the answer? 1. So this is about the inverse property. Inverse property of addition is 0 and inverse property of multiplication is 1. Okay, so let us see what is a distributive property. So they have told the distributive property under addition. They have given also a plus b into c is equals to AC plus BC. So this they have given. Now let us take A is equals to some value 2, B is equals to minus 3 and C is equals to 5. Let us substitute here. I'll just substitute. The space is very small over here, but still I'll take A plus B into C, AC plus BC. Okay, A value is 2 plus B value is minus 3 and C value is 5 is equals to A is 2 into C 5 plus B minus 3 into C 5. Okay. So 2 plus minus is minus 3 into 5 is equals to 5 2s are 10 plus minus minus 5 3s are 15. Okay. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into 5 is equals to 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So we can see 5 ones are 5 minus 5 is equals to minus 5. So LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that distributive property satisfies for the integers. Okay. So this completes the learning sheet 16. In my next video, we are coming with a learning sheet 17. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.